Bud McKelvey, Town of Farragut Public Works Director. I'm going to take you on a tour of the inside of the Farragut Town Hall to see how the progress of this building is going. This area that we just came into is just inside the front door of the Town Hall. It is going to become the new county clerk's office and the trustee's office that used to be upstairs, and we've moved it downstairs because of the accessibility, so that people don't have to use the steps or the elevator to access the clerk's office. We're going into the Town of Farragut Board of Mayor and Alderman room. As you can see, everything in here has been completely removed. The process in here was to raise the board table up 14 inches from where it was before the flooring to get it so that people have a better visual of where they're sitting and what they're doing. We're in the Town of Farragut Museum. This area during renovation will pretty much be untouched, except for the metal doors will be replaced with glass storefront doors to add an exterior entrance to the museum from the outside. One of the major challenges that we've had in this process is taking out these stairwell that was here in the town hall. It was a quarter turn radius set of stairwell steps that we had to take out, remove to meet code, and they're in the fabrication design with schematics to go back in, just making sure that everything is going to fit when it gets here. It will be brought in pieces and put together here on site when it gets done. One of the other main renovations on the interior of the town hall will be the admin offices will be more centrally located and grouped together for a more efficient use of space and greeting people. We're 4 months into the town hall renovation project. Should be done by January of 2025. These improvements should better enhance the use of the town hall and the citizens that come to visit for a better experience.